Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View for the week ahead in association with Petzl. I hope your Easter weekend is going well so far. There's some contrasting fortunes for Easter Monday. Western Scotland generally faring best for clear conditions over the mountains. Some sunshine, some high-level cloud that will just cover the sky at times though. Some low cloud across more eastern parts of the Highlands, and that down to very low elevations in the morning. It could be that some higher slopes are at least temporarily above this before cloud banks tend to lift and then gradually dispersing as time is going on, but more eastern mountain tops may just stay with banks of cloud throughout the day. We've got a brisk easterly wind as well across the Highlands, quite gusty in places, which will feel rather chilly. Now further south we've got some slow moving fronts, and that's producing some rain, some drizzle and extensive low cloud across northern England and North Wales too in the morning. Here that rain will tend to fade, but it'll get replaced across mid and south Wales by some heavy showers, and the risk of one or two of these having hail and thunder by the afternoon. Fairly light winds here, although that southerly breeze just starting to freshen across South Wales. It's a fairly unsettled and still quite messy weather situation ongoing through this week. We'll see some weak fronts drifting northwards into the Highlands on Tuesday, and that will bring much more in the way of cloud, shrouding many of the mountains, best breaks out toward the west coast near Skye. We'll have some sleet and snow across the higher mountains, some rain and drizzle at lower elevations, most persistent in more eastern and southern parts of the Highlands. For northern England and the south of Scotland, tending to be drier with some low cloud lifting toward or above higher tops. Some patchy showers developing across Wales, and later in the day some more persistent heavier rain moving into Wales from the south, but North Wales escaping much of the day with dry and fairly bright conditions. The wind mostly light across these northern parts of England and Wales, still got that brisk easterly though toward the north of Scotland. Detail is quite sketchy into the middle of the week as low pressure is in charge. Now it could be that low pressure is as extensive as this chart shows. It might be that low is weaker and a little bit further south. Either way, it does look as though there will be some low cloud, some rain, some upland snow across the Highlands, focused again toward the east and the south, with northwestern parts having the best chance of escaping drier, but can't promise anything too grand at this stage. England and Wales hanging on to low cloud, areas of rain and some showers. It may be that Wales escapes with some drier conditions for periods, but there will be some further rain moving in from the southwest later, most likely. Thursday looks a generally showery day, particularly over England, Wales and southern Scotland. Some heavy bursts with the risk of hail and thunder in the mix, again tracking from west to east through the daytime, most widespread by the afternoon. For the Highlands, some slow moving showers, patches of rain and hill snow. Some places may escape drier for periods during the day. Variable, often extensive amounts of cloud though over the mountains. Strongest winds for England and Wales, lighter winds most likely for the Highlands. There's another centre of low pressure, again trying to move up from the southwest late in the day into Wales with more heavy rain. Treat the detail on this chart with much caution for the end of the week, but basically it looks fairly unsettled still with low pressure nearby, the risk of some further heavy rain coming up into the southwest. And some showers elsewhere. There may be windows of drier and brighter conditions. Wind speeds will vary as well, and temperatures just that bit milder up towards or above freezing point to higher tops in Scotland. Keep an eye on your local forecasts during the week ahead. It is looking a rather unsettled mix though overall. That is your Fleeting View in association with Petzl.